How to make a placard. In this case, we're going to use a stencil with spray paint onto a core flute. Our size in this case is going to be 450mm by 600mm. The stencils have been designed in Adobe Illustrator. The Illustrator file is saved with a transparent background. The text is selected and changed to outline, and the file is saved as a SVG file. This allows it to be imported into the Cricut machine for cutting from the sheet of mylar without any further modification. I've found the best way to get a good result with the stencil is to apply a glue to the side of the stencil that will be touching the core flute. The glue is just a white PVA glue that I've diluted 50% with water. I paint the glue on the surface of the stencil and then apply it to the correct position on the core flute. Make sure once you apply the stencil to the core flute that you press every edge down firmly to make sure the glue comes in contact with the core flute. Once the stencils have been stuck to the core flute, I then apply masking tape to all the edges to hold the stencils down and to prevent the paint, spray paint, getting on any surface where it's not required. Once all the stencils have been stuck down and masked on the core flute, it's time to apply the spray paint. I'm using a ground marking spray paint, which I've found to be quite effective. That tends to not run under the stencils, doesn't require any touch-up afterwards. Quite quickly with this particular spray paint, after applying, the masking tape can be removed and any other masking materials. There, as you can see, we have our completed placard.